Load up and go with the Yakima SkyBox NX. This family of cargo boxes is designed to help you and all your gear get to your destination of choice. With 4 sizes to choose from: SkyBox NX Skinny, SkyBox NX LG, SkyBox NX XL, and SkyBox NX XXL, there's a box to fit your gear hauling needs. Whether you're packing for a solo trip or a full crew, each size offers ample storage to accommodate your adventure. To maximize internal storage space, the SkyBox NX features a market-leading removable installation tool, ensuring a secure installation while maintaining an unobstructed, flat floor. Loading gear is easy with dual-sided openings and integrated tie-down points, though it's important to only open one side at a time. To install the box, first locate the keys, which are usually taped near one of the opening handles. Unlock the box and pull down the metal opening handle. The NX opens from both sides, but only one side should be open at a time. Once open, remove the installation tool and loosen the larger bolt on all 4 clamps until they open wide enough to fit around your crossbars. There's no need to adjust the smaller bolt. With the clamps in the open position, slide them all the way forward. Then, close the lid. To mount the SkyBox NX onto your car, grab a friend to help lift it onto your crossbars. Position the clamps forward of the bars, then slide the box back so the clamps rest securely on top. You may need to adjust each clamp individually by hand. Ensure the box is centered, and if you have a rear hatch, positioned forward enough to avoid interference. With the box in place, open it and tighten the larger bolts using the installation wrench until you hear 3 clicks. This confirms proper installation. Visually inspect the clamps to ensure they are secure. Once all 4 clamps are tightened, store the wrench safely in the designated compartment. To close the box, press down on the lid until the handle returns to a horizontal position and you hear a click. If the box doesn't fully close, press down on both ends to engage the locking mechanism. The key can only be removed when the box is properly locked. Before hitting the road, shake the box to ensure it's securely mounted. If there's any movement, recheck and tighten the clamps. When loading gear, position the heaviest items in the center and distribute the weight outward. Tie-down points on each clamp offer additional security. Just use simple straps and avoid ratchets, which are unnecessary. Be mindful not to overload the box beyond the weight limits of your vehicle's crossbar system. If you ever need to remove the SkyBox NX, open it and use the installation wrench to loosen the clamps until the clamp nut raises slightly. Avoid unscrewing it too far. If removed too much, simply compress the clamp and rethread the nut. Slide the clamps off of all 4 crossbars and, with a friend, lift the box off the vehicle for storage. Now get out and take it easy.